Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Have you updated your WhatsApp to the latest version? In the latest version, WhatsApp has rolled out the much anticipated QR code. This feature would let users share their WhatsApp by QR code, instead of their phone numbers. User can simply scan the generated QR code to add a new contact, instead of typing out the numbers. But today, I'm going to share with you how to add this QR code in other portals, like our social media, our email footer, our product catalog, website, or any other advertisement. You may just screenshot of the QR code in your WhatsApp, and put the QR code picture in your desired portal. But today, I'm going to share with you an alternative method, yet simple method. At this end of this video, you may DIY your WhatsApp QR code, and put it in your social media, email footer, website, product catalog, and etc. Like this. So let's start now. In the WhatsApp setting, click the QR code that right beside your name. In the short link QR page, you will find your QR code. And next to it is the scan code. We may use this scan code to add WhatsApp contact, but today we focus on DIY your WhatsApp QR code. So let's back to my code screen. First, we have to copy the code that encoded in the QR code. Share the code in any other apps, so that you may copy the code. In this example, I share the code in Gmail. Do you see the URL link? This is the code that we would like to copy. So select the URL link and copy. Next, let's open QR Code Monkey website. Under the URL tab, paste the URL that we just copied. Then customize the QR design by setting the color, or adding logo image, and other customized design. You may watch my last video for more detail with the customized design. After customize completed, click the Create QR code to get the final output. And you may increase the created image's resolution. Just remember, click the Create QR code to update the changes. Last, you may download the QR code as PNG file. You may paste this QR code into your email footer, your website, your product catalog, and etc. Let's test the QR code by scanning with the Google Lens app. Upon the QR code is scanned, smartphone will auto-open the link via WhatsApp. And then it will auto-open a chat room. I hope this video is helping you. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.